Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. It is Thursday, August 13th. Bitcoin is trading near $63,373, down about 0.06%. Ethereum sits close to $1,876, down 0.13%, while Solana is near $75.50, essentially flat. A tight, waiting mode tape with three big regulatory and macro catalysts. Let us get into it. Moving on to our first story. Story 1. US July inflation landed exactly in line with forecasts, and Bitcoin dropped back below $64,000. Headline consumer prices rose 3.4% year-over-year, cooling from 3.5% in June, while core inflation eased to 2.5% from 2.6%. Both readings matched consensus, giving the Federal Reserve room to hold rates, but offering no clear catalyst to break Bitcoin out of its 5-week range. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian investors watching remittance flows, a soft but not dovish print keeps the dollar firm and caps a fast breakout above 65,000. Watch tomorrow's producer price index and Friday's retail sales for any late-week volatility. Next, a major regulatory update. Story 2. The US Securities and Exchange Commission holds its open meeting tomorrow, Friday, August 14th. And it is the biggest regulatory event of the month. The agency is voting on whether to propose Regulation Crypto, a tailored offering regime for certain investment contracts tied to crypto assets, letting qualifying projects raise capital without automatic full securities registration. The framework may include a startup lane of about $5 million and a broader lane of up to $75 million in a 12-month period. The SEC is also preparing its innovation exemption for tokenized securities, this time with an opt-out for companies whose shares would be tokenized by third parties, plus tighter anti-money laundering rules. If these frameworks pass Friday's vote to propose, expect regional brokers in the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Singapore to start building compliant wrappers over the next 12 to 18 months. Finally, news from Indonesia. Story 3. Indonesia's Financial Services Authority reported that domestic crypto transaction value hit 28.58 trillion rupiah in June, up 24.2% month-over-month from 23 trillion rupiah in May. The regulator also unveiled its digital asset roadmap covering 2026 to 2031, which includes tokenization frameworks, stablecoin rules, stronger cybersecurity, over-the-counter transaction refinements, and a single investor identifier for digital financial assets and crypto. This is the clearest signal yet that Indonesia is building durable infrastructure, not just supervision. The direction is bullish for regulated on-ramps, but the single investor identifier layer will likely raise KYC friction for cross-border users. Watch whether Thailand, the Philippines, and Vietnam reference the Indonesian framework in their own consultations. Here is your quick recap. 1. US July CPI in line at 3.4%, Bitcoin below 64,000. 2. SEC Reg Crypto and Innovation Exemption vote Friday, August 14th. 3. Indonesia OJK June crypto volume up 24% month-over-month, 5-year roadmap unveiled. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.